First things first, graph it, find those intersection points. And when we do the calculations, we're not going to use these rounded values. We're going to use all 8 or 9 decimal places of accuracy. So store these intersection values into registers C and D in your calculator, and these into A and B. If you're not sure how to do that, please ask me during class. All right, we're going to rotate this yellow region around the y-axis. Draw your damn representative rectangle, man. Label the differential dy in this case. And when we rotate this representative rectangle around the y-axis, we're going to get a washer. Keep in mind that every washer is just the difference between this large disk, whose radius is the distance from the axis of revolution to the outermost point, pi r squared times the height of the disk, minus the inside disk, which is a small disk, whose radius is the distance from the axis of revolution to the inside part of the representative rectangle. So the large radius goes to the red boundary. So that x value is y plus 3 over 2. And the small radius is the x value of the blue curve, where the x value is e to the y. And that completes AC, because they asked to set it up but not evaluate.